Hey guys, this will be a simple endless runner tutorial on GDevelop. So I have this character and it has this platform behavior, the platformer behavior. However, the default control is unticked. And this forest background, this is a tiled background. And for the platform, I'm using this tiled grass. And it has this behavior of platform. And in events, if you see, so when I press the space key, I simulate the pressing jump for the character because I just want the jumping functionality for the character. I don't want it to move left and right. And as for the infinite scrolling is concerned, just use this. Okay. For the forest background, the image X offset, we are going to add 100 into tilde time. So this 100 is basically the speed. You can change it and you can also change it over the time to make the game more difficult as the time goes on. And you have to keep delta time to keep it uniform with respect to frame rate. For the grass as well, for the forest background and for the grass, for both we have this 100 into tilde time. So now if I preview, as you can see, so basically the character is not moving, it is staying in its place. However, the background and the grass, they are moving. And if I press the jump key, the character is jumping. You can add obstacles as well. You can have a obstacle source over here in the right hand side, and in the left hand side, the obstacle will get destroyed. Randomly, the obstacles will come and the player needs to avoid those obstacles. You can also have coins which will be randomly generated to add points. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.